Because you found this video and because you're going to watch it all the way through to the end, you have just found the solution to how you are going to record, stream and edit your gaming footage from your Xbox One directly to your iPhone, iPad, iMac or MacBook Apple device. So stay tuned to the end of the video so you can fully understand the capabilities and the power of this application that we're going to have a look at called OneCast. Hi guys, welcome to AnthonyAllenEdits YouTube channel, the YouTube channel that is all about your video editing knowledge and video editing tutorials on software such as Final Cut Pro X. Here in this video, I'm going to be showing you an application called OneCast. Now at the time of me recording this video, it's actually just 2 hours away from E3 2019 and I thought it was very appropriate to show you guys an application that I have used in the past and previously and recently, and it's my go-to application for if I need to record any gaming content on my Xbox One. This is not just for production and recording, this is also for those gamers that may not have the control over the television that their Xbox One is plugged into and maybe somebody else wants to use the television. You can still game using this application either on your iPhone or another Apple device. You can stream directly to your Apple device. So as long as your Xbox One session has not been exited, for example, if you haven't logged out of the profile that you're using on your account, or if you haven't turned off your Xbox One and it's plugged in to, I don't even think it even needs to be plugged into a television, but I'm not going to say that, but the television doesn't need to be on. That's something that I do know. You will still be able to play your game and continue your gaming session with your Xbox One controller, seeing it on the screen of your Apple device, and also be given on-screen controls if you're using your iPhone and iPad. This is absolutely amazing, and if you don't want to use the on-screen controls, you can still use your Xbox One controller while looking at your iPhone. This application is absolutely amazing, and I'm going to show you a sample of it right now so that you can get into using this application. I'm also going to leave a link in the description, guys, so that you can find OneCast yourself, the official OneCast application, so that you can get your free version of the application with full features or pay for the full version of the application. So let's get into it, guys. I'm about to show you OneCast, what it can do, and this is just more or less a preview of the application. I will also be talking you through what I'm doing with OneCast while I'm showing you on screen. So you're about to see the end results of using OneCast. You're going to see it firsthand. You're going to see me using it with a MacBook Air, and you're going to see me using it with my iPhone. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're at my MacBook Air here, and I'm about to launch OneCast, which I already have installed, and I have my blue snowball microphone, which I'm using right now, which you can hear. On the screen is Assassin's Creed Origins, and that's my Xbox One game session. So now let's launch OneCast. So I'm showing you my screen. I'm going to click the OneCast application, and then I can click connect, but right here is a drop down menu. You won't have this option on the mobile version of the application, but let's just show you for the desktop users there. You can see that it has options as to what quality you are going to stream your gaming footage to your Apple device. What I've found is that even the low video quality doesn't really provide any lag. There is no lag with this application whatsoever, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you it in very high quality. So you're about to see this stream directly to my MacBook Air. So let's have a look.
I didn't click connect.
Here we go, just waiting for the session to start up. It's just starting up now and giving you in real time, so you can see there we have it. It's giving me the notification on my Xbox Live session that I am now streaming my content. And as you can see, this, what you're seeing on screen now, is the direct image from my MacBook Air that is being projected. You can see my microphone is there. Up above is my live game Xbox session that is still playing alongside. You can see that there is no difference in quality. As you can see on my screen there's no difference in the quality, although we are in a pause menu, so in a minute we'll show you what it looks like when we're around and moving. But there you can see the colors are absolutely beautiful. Everything's beautiful, looks great. Brilliant application. It's streaming directly to my MacBook Air without any issues. You can see I'm just going to leave it to play for now. You can't see any lag. I can actually control the volume on my MacBook as well, which is the volume that I am currently hearing. You can't hear it at the moment, but now I'm going to start playing along. So let's have a look. You can see that in between both shots there is no lag whatsoever. There is the real-time footage from the application, looking absolutely beautiful. There is no difference between my game footage on my screen. So now that we've seen Assassin's Creed, let's have a look at Fortnite. So here's the real-time footage from my MacBook Air using OneCast. So I am actually recording this at the same time as well, so that I can use it within my video that you're watching. So I'm using another application alongside of OneCast, and that is basically, once you've got a screen recorder, that is basically how you can get your high quality footage recording. Right now, this is an example of me using a screen recorder alongside of OneCast. OneCast itself is for streaming your gaming content directly to your Apple devices. You can literally turn off the main television and still continue to play your gaming session on your Apple device, which is absolutely brilliant. Now let's look at the mobile version of the application. So right now I'm clicking the record button, and you can see that on screen. There you have it. That is the direct projection of OneCast's mobile application on my phone screen that you've just seen me set up. Right now it's connecting to my game session. Absolutely brilliant. And I'm about to show you the on-screen controls and what they look like. So here we are. I'm now inside my Xbox Live game session. I was already flying in on Fortnite, and right now I'm going to show you an example of me using the mobile phone OneCast casting alongside the live real-time game session on the main television that I'm using. Now you're about to see the on-screen controls. So when you tap the screen of your iPhone, you will see that it is projecting on-screen controls. You have your right stick that you can move the camera around in Fortnite, and you have your left stick. And right now you can see me using those on-screen controls, and I can also turn the volume up and down on my phone, or plug my headphones in if you want to plug your headphones in. You can see me playing Fortnite now using OneCast. My Xbox Live session is being projected, and you do actually have to try and remember where buttons are on screen. As you can see there, the Y button was not given, but it's quite easy to catch on to. You have your D-pad, you have your right trigger, right back bumpers, left bumpers. Absolutely brilliant. I've actually turned off my main session screen there. As you can see, the television is off, but that is the game session that is being projected onto my phone. Somebody else can actually use that television now for whatever they want. They can go and watch something. As long as the game session is still up and running, I can still play my Xbox Live session even without the game controller, because you don't have to use the on-screen controllers, and we're about to get into that in a moment. So I'm about to show you what this looks like when you're using your Xbox One controller as opposed to the on-screen controls that you can see right now. Just giving you a close-up of those on-screen controls, and that's how it works. You don't have to use the on-screen controls as just mentioned. You can actually use your Xbox One controller, whether it's wireless or wired up to your Xbox. I prefer to use wireless because I can then move my phone around along with my Xbox controller and play anywhere in my house while the television is actually being used by somebody else. Absolutely brilliant. And I'm also recording this game session via my iPhone alone, which will save directly to my camera roll. And I can then just edit that up directly within my iPhone. I don't have to move the footage elsewhere. iMovie is available on your iPhone. With this application now available, there is no excuse why you cannot record and edit your gaming footage just using just your iPhone or Apple device. Absolutely brilliant, and I'm really looking forward to E3 What do you guys expect from E3 2019? And if you have already watched it, are you coming back to this video to find OneCast? Find the link in the description, guys. So there we have it, guys. That is OneCast. Absolutely amazing application, well worth purchasing. It works alongside your Xbox One and your Apple devices. For those of you who are video editors, freelancers, or you have a gaming channel or a channel that needs some form of gaming content to be streamed, edited, or recorded, all this will require is for you to, like I've shown you on the iPhone, I've basically shown you the first step. You flick that menu up and you can click the record button once you've enabled screen recording on your iPhone. That is one way you can do it on there. And I've also shown you, if you're on a MacBook Air or a MacBook, that you can record your screen and you can literally go through your method of how you record your screen, as OneCast will be streaming directly to your Apple device, and you can basically do what you want with that as you so choose. Not so that makes sense. You can do with it with where your brain explores and what application you want to use in order to either film or record or edit. Now, with that said, I teach you all how to video edits with Final Cut Pro X, aka Final Cut Pro 10. That is the main niche of my channel, but I do share video knowledge like this on my channel quite often, and also take you into my world. I show you video edits that I'm doing as well. If you would like to learn how to video edit, it's well worth hitting the subscribe button, and if you've liked this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget that I also upload videos like this and other video knowledge daily. I upload daily, so if there's not this sort of content, there will be video editing content that I'm showing you or teaching you how to use applications such as Final Cut Pro. Now, with that said, I'm going to end up this video. I'm going to go now and enjoy E3. It's coming now. I'm so excited. E3 2019. The Microsoft briefing is going to be absolutely amazing. So really looking forward to it. Are you looking forward to it? Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of E3 if you're watching this after E3 2019. If you're watching this after E3 2019, then give me a thumbs up or let me know in the comment section below. It's very interesting to see when you guys are actually picking up on my videos, but this was uploaded on the day of E3 2019. Really excited for it. Can't wait to see. I'm now going to edit this video up so that I can go and watch E3 2019. More videos coming soon to my channel, Anthony Allen Edits. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching.